fucking truck.
Welcome back to the Ozone, guys. Let's get through these shoes. Get you guys a little bit of box action. We hit this light real quick. This artificial light ain't no good. I'll let you guys get a look at that. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Black, Chili Red, and White. Yeah, we're going through more Jordan Mids. Yeah. Get this one up here for you guys so you get a look at her. I don't know how many more Jordan 1 Mids I can take. At least this one isn't the so-called special editions. We're going to keep on going, guys. Jordan guys, you need to get out there and get on those highs. Everybody's getting tired of the lows. Let me move this back a bit. But we're still buying them, I guess, so we ain't getting tired of them. Nice shoe, though. I see this as another everyday wearer. I don't know how high these are going to go. I think they're about like 130 now. If you're in a spot where you can't find them. So the quality on this shoe feels okay. Feels like I got some okay leather. I see people being able to do some customs with this if you want to do some customs. And I don't know. You should be able to get your hands on these. Nike. Ever drinking coffee at the Nike store or whatever, wherever you guys are putting the shoes at, tell them to stop drinking coffee. Every shoe I get, it's coffee stained. Let's get on with the next one, though. All right, we're on to the next shoe. Give you guys a little bit of full box action. I'm gonna let this focus. This is a special shoe. I'm gonna just call this one the Adidas Girls Are Awesome. The colorway is a very weird colorway. They call this one the chalk white, sea black, and beautiful purple. I don't know who's naming these shoes. I got this pair of shoes in honor of Women's Month, I believe. That's this month what they're calling it. Just get this stuff out of here, because this comes with a little bit of attachments. Get you guys a little bit of paper action, because everybody says they want to see the paper. You guys can see it comes with the Girls Are Awesome paper. This is the Adidas Forum 94 or 84, I apologize, Girls Are Awesome edition. It's a very good shoe. Like I said, right now, in terms of quality of materials, Adidas is beating Nike with these new forums. There you guys, some 360 action. And what is Jordan brand is not keeping up with the forums right now. The forums are killing Nike at the moment. Jordan 1 quality is very poor compared to the forum quality at this point. Except for like the UNC Blues, they were of high quality. A few other shoes I'm getting from Jordan are coming good quality. These, every pair of forums I'm getting of the highest outstanding quality. Shoe, it's anything particularly spectacular. It has some wool, a little bit of plastic underneath. But then you have this, you also have this Adidas wool ankle lock. They give you a separate ankle lock changers. I'm going to show you guys those in a second. Back of the shoe again, like I said, it's wool, plastic, you know. Then they actually gave us a gum bottom on a pair of Adidas, which is awesome. Rare do you get the gum bottom. I'm not going to bust this out, but you get this pack of items where you can change it to say different cities. Change it around the heel tab up top. I think I might be missing some. Mine will bust open. But as you can see, you get London, Tokyo, Los Angeles. Let's see if I can move this one down like that. Paris, New York, Copenhagen, Shanghai. Get to change it all, guys. So it's not bad. Give you one more 360 of this one, and we'll move on to the next shoe. You're supposed to change them up here. It's a little snap button lace up here. You could pop them on, pop them off. It's a very good shoe. I know that you got to treat this shoe and stain protect it before you wear it. It's just a fire shoe for any lady or man. And the Jordan 1s, I suggest you start trying out the Forums. All right, let's get on with this last shoe, guys. All right, we're here with the final shoe of this episode, guys. Let's get you a little bit of box action. You guys can see what this is already. This is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Special Edition All-Star Weekend Black and White, a.k.a. the Jordan 1 Mid Carbon Fibers. This is the last shoe. I think it's one more shoe because I've seen a red one in this style of shoe. But this is the last one officially now for the new patent leather Jordan 1 Mid SEs. You guys can go back and watch the episode with the oranges. I did the signal blues. And now this is the carbon fibers. This completes my set until they release that red one. Might be a rare or player edition. But I still would like to get my hands on it. In my opinion, with this shoe, they could have cut the patent leather off of the front and went with all carbon fiber, but I don't work at Nike brand. And see, unworn shoe, there's still something inside one of my treads. Look like some paper. Shoe doesn't come with any extra laces or anything. The leather quality, I don't know, this leather right here is pretty hard. But they're going to be having a restock of this one and the orange on the website pretty soon. I think the orange is first. But I can tell you guys for sure that the carbon fiber on the back is of outstanding quality. It makes the shoe pretty decent. I'll give you guys a little bit of top action. Try to let you see into the shoe. Because this is where this shoe is a little bit different. I hope you guys can see that. There's a little Jordan Jumpman in there. And on the tongue, you get the little new Jumpman logo. I'll get that in the camera for you guys. But yeah, you get the new little Jumpman logo and the same logo inside of the shoe. Like I said, the most spectacular part of this shoe is the carbon fiber back and top portion. But yeah, in my opinion, this is another everyday wearing Jordan. Not too many bright colors or anything like that. The patent leather, if you're into that thing, it's okay. It seems to be a good quality knot on my shoe. Seems to have already come pre-scuffed. I hope you guys could see that, but it's no biggie. This is why I really don't like patent leather. Shoe still looks fire. Alright guys, woo, that carbon fiber swoosh is outstanding. Alright guys, remember to comment, like, subscribe, let me know what shoes you want to see next. I'm going to keep the channel going, keep the channel growing. You guys keep your collections growing. Make sure you spend your stimulus with me, and have a nice day. Everybody fucking jump!